I'm Sarah Peterson, and for years I have been doing research on the science of hair, hair growth, and healthy hairline retention. And I'm starting a new series on my YouTube channel to share with you my best insider tips, tricks, and information so you can reach your hair length goals or whatever your goals are with hair. Alright, then let me know if you have any questions related to hair and I'll be sure to address it during this series. You can either leave me a comment or send me directly an email at petersonsalwa@gmail.com. I'll make sure to get back to you. And sometimes during this video I will be announcing the winner of last week Chebe contest. Thank you for everyone who have entered. And let me tell you a little bit more about myself. So I'm from Chad, as you know, a country extremely rich in culture. Chad is actually the cradle of humankind. This is where the oldest known ancestor of humanity was found. His name is Tomai. He is 7 million years old and his remains were found in the northern part of the country in 2001 by a team of researchers. So this makes actually Chad the land of our common origins. Isn't that extraordinary? And so, as I was telling you, I'm from Chad and I have had 2 careers. First as a lawyer and second as a beauty product development specialist. So I'm a graduate of Paris-Panthéon-Sorbonne and Harvard University in the US. I have been in the last 7 years after a first career as a lawyer in the US and South Africa, doing product development all over the world for some of the biggest brands out there in makeup, skincare, fragrances, and of course my favorite category, hair care. And I have learned a great deal over the last few years and I have helped orchestrate some of the biggest brands launches, some of the the best products, bestseller products that you find today in the market. So what I really want to do is now to share that knowledge with you in hair care to help you make informed decisions about what to use, what not to use, and most importantly, know and understand your own hair care needs to take the best care possible out of it to reach your maximal length. So right, I'm looking forward to be sharing that information with you, starting my next video and waiting to get all your questions. And now, the moment we have been waiting for, the winner of Authentic Chebe Powder from Chad contest is, drumroll please,
Olive Nwokoro.
Congratulations! Please send me an email at petersonsalwa.com to claim your prize. Tell me your full address and contact details so I'll put together your package and ship it with DHL International as soon as possible. And for those of you who did not win, I told you I have something for you. So for the next few weeks up until the end of the month of August, every week I will be choosing a new winner of Chebe. Wherever you are in the world, same rules, at least 18 years old, number 1, number 2, president of any country where DHL ships, and number 3, follow instruction. And remember, the more you play, the more you win. So invite everyone you know by email, through social media, and also the more you connect with me all over social media, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, the more chances you have to win. And good luck and hit me up if you have any question. If you haven't done so, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Sarah Peterson and put on the notification. You will also find me on Instagram at Sarah Peterson as well, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. And good luck for those entering the giveaway, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!